Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dark aesthetic filter in Capcut. So first, after you add your videos, you can go straight to filter and add the fade filter that you can find under the mono category. This one, fade, and adjust it to around 35. Okay, now go to adjust and you can follow the settings. So for the brightness, lower it to -15, and after that the contrast -22, saturation -15, and the brilliance -40. Now increase the sharpness into 100 and then find highlight and lower it to -30. Lastly, you can add some shadow. This is optional. I'm going to increase it to around 8. Click on the check icon and this is the final result. So let's see the before and after. So this is before I add the dark aesthetic filter, and this is the after. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.